Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is fitness. FITNESS. But before I will teach you about this topic, let us revise about health. So, what is health? Health is a state of being free from any illness or injury. So, health is a state of free from any illness or injury. Okay, so we should follow good habits in our life to stay healthy. We should always eat healthy food and avoid junk food. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene, I taught you already. What is hygiene? It is the activity that we should follow to maintain our health. Various activities that we should follow to maintain our health, like washing hands and not eating food sold on street, like bathing, brushing, getting haircut. So the activity, these activities which we have to do to keep ourselves free fit and to keep ourselves free from any disease. Okay, and it is very necessary to maintain hygiene, and it will prevent the spread of disease. Okay, it will prevent the spread of disease. Now today's topic is all about fitness. Okay, so I will tell you what is fitness. So kids, the spelling of fitness is FITNESS. Okay, now let's start. So, what is fitness? Fitness is the ability to perform various physical activity in our daily life. Okay, if we are able to perform various physical activity in our daily life, then we can say that we are physically fit. Also, if we will do all the work without getting tired, if we do the work without getting tired and with alertness, okay, if we'll move our body, then we say we are physically fit. So kids, fitness is very important, and if we do regular exercise, so we keep our muscles and bones strong. So to keep our muscles and bones strong, we should exercise daily. We should keep ourselves fit. Okay, so I am repeating again, fitness is the ability to perform various physical activities in our daily life. And what are the physical activities in daily life? Like going to school, playing, exercising, swimming, skating. So these are all physical activities, or playing in the park. Okay, if you will do all these activities without getting tired, so you can say that you are physically fit. So kids, here the topic is fitness. So you have to tick the things that you like to do. But before, I will explain these to you. So here the girl is watching TV. So to keep ourselves fit, we should not watch TV. Rather, we should indulge ourselves in some physical activity. Instead of watching TV, if we play something, if we play in the park, then we will keep ourselves fit. Like, see, this boy is playing in a park. Okay, so he is using his energy. So this is the good habit. To keep ourselves fit, we should play in the park. See, the girl is sitting on a sofa and is playing. So this is again not good to keep ourselves fit. The girl is painting something. Yes, so the girl is using her brain. So girl is moving her hand and she is doing some painting. So this is very good to keep ourselves fit. Here the girl is studying. Yes, very good. Again, the girl is concentrating on studies. So it is very good. Here again the boy is reading. The boy is swimming in the pool. Very good. Here also the boy is using his energy. So swimming is a very good exercise to keep ourselves fit. Okay, here the girl is singing. Again, it's a very good habit. Here the girl is playing in the park with a ball. So girl is using her energy. So this is again very good to play in the park, to play with the ball in a park. Here they are using, the girls, they are using the energy, so it is very good. Here the boy is doing skating. So when you do skating, it is very good for your body. Okay, the boy is dancing, very good. To keep ourselves fit, we should skate, we should dance. Also here the girl is doing exercise. Okay, so it is a very good to do exercise daily to keep ourselves fit. So kids, on this page what you have to do, you have to tick the things that you like to do. It is on your page number 48 and in your general awareness book. Here you have to tick the things that you like to do. That is why ma'am is not putting any right or wrong in this page. You have to do it what you like to do. Okay, if you like to sing, then you put tick here. If you like to exercise, you have to put here. Okay, keep in mind the point fitness. So how to keep ourselves fit, we should consider that thing. Again on your page number 49, the things that I should avoid to stay fit. Here you have to avoid the things to keep yourself fit. See, all these kids, what are they doing? They are playing video game, which is very wrong. Okay, if you are sitting and you are not doing anything, you are only playing video game, how you will keep yourself physically fit? Okay, here no, your energy is not utilizing. So to keep ourselves physically fit, either we should play in the park, we should help our mother in housework, or we should play with the football, we should do swimming, skating, dancing. So we should avoid. Also not playing in the park is not good. We should play in the park. If you are sitting at home and you are doing and you are playing with a friend, it's better if you play in the park. To keep yourself fit, you should play in the park. Next is not exercising. Here again we should exercise daily. We should avoid not exercising. We should exercise daily. Okay, it is very important to exercise daily. Also watching TV for a long time. We should avoid watching TV for a long time. If we will sit at home and we'll watch the TV, then it is not good for our health as well as for our eyes. So kids, to keep yourself fit, to keep yourself fit and fine, avoid watching TV, avoid playing on the mobile games, avoid playing video games, and also play in the park. Okay, so not playing in the park is not a good thing. You have to play in the park to keep yourself fit. So in this you have to do this page only. It is very simple. You have to tick the things that you like to do. Okay, so this is all about fitness. Once again I am repeating. So fitness is the ability to perform various physical activities in your daily life with alertness and without getting tired. Okay, and what is physical activity? Is the regular exercise. Regular exercise helps to keep our muscles and bones strong. And physical activity means the movement of the body. What do you mean by physical activity? Movement of the body. So we have to move our body to keep ourselves fit. And how we keep ourselves fit? By doing regular exercise, so that our bones and muscles will be strong. Okay, so do this page, study them all, this page also, that you have to avoid to stay fit, and share the work with me. Thank you, take care, bye bye.